Hi guys, it's Khushi and in today's video I'm going to make stickers at home. Yes, you heard it right, we are going to make stickers at home. So firstly I've taken this sticker paper which costed me around 10 rupees. You can easily find this at a nearby stationery shop. So firstly we'll start off with a rough sketch. I am drawing a fox with a butterfly on his nose, then an unicorn, elephant, dog, and you can basically draw whatever you want. So the main purpose why I'm making this video is when you buy stickers from a stationery shop, you may not use all the stickers that you get in the packet, like you'll use the few that you liked. So the main purpose is that you can convert any cartoon, anime or series that you watch on Netflix into a sticker. So I'm quickly going to finish all of the rough sketches so that we can move forward to the painting part. So here I've started with the painting part. I'm using acrylic paints, and here I've painted the butterfly with a yellow color, then I'm painting the fox with a light orange shade. So when I was a kid, I used to tell my mom to buy me these stickers because I was very fascinated about them. But now that I can make my own stickers, I'm really excited to create more. So after I'm done with painting the orange shade, I'm going forward with the brown and then with the white to paint the rest of the body. So in case if you're wondering, I am not going to outline the elements right now. I'm going to wait to paint all of the stickers and then I'm going to start off with a black outline. So here we have started with the unicorn. The unicorn one has turned out very pretty and I really liked it. So firstly we are going to start off with some white, then we are going forward with baby pink. After the baby pink we are painting orange, then green, then dark green, then we are painting baby blue, sea green, yellow, and then lavender. So here I'm using the same lavender shade, then I'll go forward with some yellow, white and light blue. I'm very excited for you guys to see the outcome. You've probably seen them in the thumbnail, but all of the stickers have turned out amazing and very cute. So the references to all of these stickers, I've found them on Pinterest. So now I've started painting the baby elephant. For the baby elephant we are using baby blue shade. So this dog has turned out super cute. I'm painting the whole body with a white color. We'll do the details afterwards with a black marker. I started off painting the nose, but then I thought I'm placing my hand on other stickers, so I need to really separate them. So here I'm using a fine tip CD DVD marker. You can basically use any black marker which has a fine tip. So while editing this part, I found it very satisfying to watch. So I hope you guys find it satisfying too. And I'm not going to talk throughout this section because I want you guys to really watch this and enjoy the music. So after making all the necessary details to make them look alive and cute, I've cut them into the sticker shape, leaving a white border around. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more such videos, then let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.